Hello everyone. In this tutorial video we are going to talk about some common settings alterations that can happen when looking at a graph in Google Sheets and how to fix those settings so that the graph returns to its most useful form. All of the settings are accessed by clicking once in the graph area and then clicking on the triple dots and Edit Chart. So the first thing that we're going to talk about fixing is when you enter your data and it shows up as two sets of lines, usually of different colors. So underneath the Setup tab of the chart options, we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and we are going to check Use Column B as Labels. And this causes our graph to return to the more traditional grid with one set of dots on it. So that was once in the chart area, triple dots, edit chart, setup, use column B as labels. The next thing we're going to talk about how to fix is when there is no data line on your graph. Again, this is accessed by clicking once in the chart area, triple dots, edit chart. But now we're going to go over to the Customize tab of those options. And in particular, we are interested in the series. When you scroll to the bottom of the series options, you want to make sure that trend line is checked. And you also want to make sure that its label is set to use equation using the drop-down menu there. So we're going to go series, trend line is checked, and the last drop-down says use equation. If your science equation precursor, right, the math equation, does not show up on your graph, even when the line is there, we're going to go click once in the chart area, triple dots, edit chart. We're going to go to the Customize tab again, but now we're going to go to Legend. And we want to make sure that the position of the legend is set to the bottom of the graph. And this causes the math information to show up for us down there at the bottom of the graph. If something is going on with the titles of your axes, it can be sometimes difficult to use a trackpad to click the appropriate number of times to edit them. So once again, we're going to click once in the graph area, triple dots, edit. Also under Customize, but now we're going to go to Chart and Axes Titles. You can edit the chart title, but you can also switch to the axis titles using this drop-down menu. So if I want to go to my horizontal axis title and make a quick change to the units of that axis, or if I want to go to the vertical axis title and make a quick change to the units of that axis, it can sometimes be easier to get there through the settings menu than trying to click the appropriate number of times to grab hold of that using a trackpad. Okay, so in this tutorial video, we have gone over how to fix some of the most commonly broken settings on a graph to make it go back to the way that it's supposed to look. All of them are accessed by clicking once in the chart area on the triple dots and then clicking Edit Chart. Most of the options are under Customize in the various menus, but the one that causes the most confusion is under Setup. Use column B as labels is supposed to be checked. Thank you very much and have a nice day.